Hi guys, welcome to the sixth module of Revit Architecture. In this module, we'll be talking about curtain grids, curtain walls, and mullions. So to add curtain walls, we'll be going to the Revit Architecture tab here, walls, architecture. It's the same thing as walls, we'll be getting it here. So we have different types of walls here, and then we have three curtain walls here. And then we have stack walls. Now we'll be dealing with curtain walls, exterior walls, and storefront in this module. So I'll explain all the three dimensions. So I'll draw the curtain wall first. The same as the you draw the normal wall. Now I'll draw exterior glazing. Now the storefront. So let's go to the 3D view to see the difference. I'll turn on the realistic. So you can see the three types of wall here. So the curtain wall is basically just a normal glass wall. You can see here, a glass wall. And then the exterior glazing is the glass wall with certain gap in between here. And then you can see the storefront here. Storefront here with certain margins in between with the gap also. So that is the difference between all three. Yeah, it's basically a normal glass wall with certain attributes added to it. So it's just the same as the wall, how you make a wall. It's the same properties as that. And you can just go here and have all the same properties. The base offset, the top offset, the same as the properties of the wall. And go here and then you have different attributes we can change. We'll be dealing with all these properties in the coming lecture. So this is how you create the curtain wall. We go to architecture, wall, architecture, and then we have curtain walls here. And then we can make all the, like we can draw yeah, if you want we can change the properties of this curtain wall and add gaps in between and add the mullions also. We can do that also. So we'll be dealing with all the attributes in the upcoming.